Scheduling time off in Microsoft Bookings is quick and easy. Today I'm going to show you all the details on doing so. So let's dive into it. Right from this home page, we're going to stay on calendar, and on the top right hand side there's an add time off button. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add this time off. So right at the top here you can add a label to this. So we can say closed, and then you can create your start date and your end date. So if your store is closed or your business is closed for a time period, you can just add, let's say perhaps the day. So it's from the 27th and it's going to be up until the 30th. And you can have this then all day. But if you're only having a closure for a specific part of the day, you are going to leave that toggle switch off, and you can then adjust the time that you will be closed. You can also change the service location details over here. So if you have more than one location, you can add that in. You can also add some notes just over here. And then if you are closed completely, that means all of your staff members, the changes will be applicable to. So you are going to select all of your staff members. But let's say perhaps you have a staff member that is not going to be available in your normal operating hours. You want to select only the person that it is applicable to, and you're going to go ahead and click on create time off. Now what will happen is, if it's for that specific staff member, he or she will not be able to be booked for an appointment within that time period that we just created now. However, if it's for the entire business, no bookings will be able to be done on your schedule at all.